Okay, good evening all. Thank you for the occasions to present our article review about the QFD and application on fast food restaurant. Our group is consists of me, Dwi Ananti, and then Desi Rosalina and Pak Anggoro. And then the topic that we want to present is about introduction and then quality function deployment, and then fast food management, QFD application, QFD planning, discussion, and conclusion. This journal is written by Zulayan and Mahmed. And then this research was conducted on one of famous fast food restaurant in Kudasai. The name is not stated in the paper. And then the research is conducted on June 8 and until July 20, 2011. In introductions, QFD is applied by companies in order to play activities to meet customer requirement in product and services. And then the purpose of this paper is to ensure the customer requests for product and services and to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. And then QFD here is to make assessment that depending on the opponents and discover existing requirements according to the customer demands. The theoretical in this research is focused on Ko and Ho in 1996. And then the purpose of the QFD has been in the direction of orientations and realizations by listening to the customer at the different parts to improve a new product and services. In quality function deployment in this journal, there are three main aims of QFD application. The first is to prioritize customer demands, which was mentioned or unmentioned. And then the second, to convert this demand into operating characteristic. And then the third, to provide realizing of quality product or services. All of departments are focused on customer satisfaction. And then about the aims, according out into 2011, there are use of Pariani 2010. They adapt in the form of a 3-steps model of QFD by transforming of deployment process metrics to the methodology of the action plans. You can look at on the right side picture. There are like a waterfall picture. And then about the fast food management, in this research is progress of concept, especially with change of fast food habit of European after the Second World War. And then this is also the industrial progress and long hours work. So the fast food management is conducted because of the review problem of limited time of the eating people. This is by Dan and Horsey, 1984. And then the main purpose of fast food restaurant is to concentrate on a product and then do franchises to get better marketing and then to apply of the specific price and range. To use practical product and then to drive food production method with automatic control system and to apply of self-service method. And the next will be presented by Mbak Desi. Mbak Desi.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Ananti. For service planning metric, there is 6 items in here. First, establish of quality team, customer demand, management requirement, how, the level of importance customer demand, what, and the relation with what and how, and customer competition assessment. Next. Establishment of QFD team. First, create the QFD team firstly, provided collection of number voice during analysis of Gemba process. Next. And customer demand, there is 3 opinion here, Park North in 2002, Pariani 2010, and Large in 2005. Next. The level important customer demand. What? When regarding arithmetically average of important level of customer demand. Rather than customer demand from production weight is seen to the demand for service. In the survey, prepare according to the quantity like scale, both optimized to decimal to get more accurate result of important level. Next. Management requirement, how? Searching the answer of the question of QFD team to how to meet customer demand and which technique characteristic ensure more customer satisfaction. Next. The relationship matrix, what and how, customer demand, product of service characteristic are demand by QFD team in this stage. Next. Customer competition, the point is propose to know our position comparing to competitor. The next. And the characteristic metric of process control in here, propose to creating the second metric is to decide, realizing, determine, demand or column data, how that becoming service characteristic. In categorize in here, there is a price, product, packaging, and service. Which the customer requirement is combine product for free, promotion, and the product is cooking level, cooking time, temperature, packaging is pack, design work, manufacturing, and is an unpack, and etc. Next. QFD planning will be continued by Pak Hanggoro. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Bu Desi. Okay, QFD planning ya. QFD planning in fast food. This 6 categories: action planning, columns of the target and point of sale, important score and percentage important, action plan matrix, correlation analysis, and the quality house. Next. Okay, action planning, the target values assigned for factor of services, process, or product are optimally determined as qualitative and quantitative scale range, also percentage of scale range to determine all the elements of the service process or product are critically important for developing the next stage of the action plan. It means however, the set target value contributes to the service process in determining the product, how to achieve optimally result. The company must be able to determine the elements in the service process by developing the next stage in the action plan. Before ya, target. Yes. Action, I'm sorry. Column of the target and point of sale. Step in developing a strategy for obtaining information. Let the first action to increase customer demand. It means meet the needs of the different customer and determine after the overall relative weights for each demands of the customer. And fulfillment of customer needs. Companies must be able to understand what things are needed to meet customer expectation. And third, determination of relative weights for customer requests. In here, the relative weights must really be considered so that the relative weights is in accordance with customer demands. Next, discussion. Quality and healthy products are specified as the most important issues by customer. And then in service, the useful equipment service manner, service time also important. To meet the customer satisfaction and customer voice, can use customer email address to make a short survey. To fulfill customer demand in scope of healthy product, the quality of the materials used in the provision of products, services, and suppliers should be checked at regular interval. And training the employer to give a good service. Next, provide customer case by call center and email. Have certificate BRC and SQA in fast food restaurant. Implemented food safety system ISO 22000. Customer demographic can use to make marketing strategies. Thank you. Next.